This is alert system broadcast to Adam's Dark World known channel. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. The creator is not responsible for any of these tones. All these parts are fake and should be viewed for entertainment purpose only. Do not use any of Adam's videos without permission. Adam does not want to anyone copying scenarios without permission. If so, it will give you a copyright strike without warning. And one more thing, and please don't be an idiot and playing these tones in the air, as they will cause massive panic and confusion. Now go grab a snack and enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, this is ABC News. I am Daniel, your ABC News. There is a new Sonic Maniac Mania pizza place, so this is my corresponding Kate. So Kate, how is everything doing there?
So far, it's been doing well. They are enjoying a lot. They are having fun. So parents, if you want to take your children to a Sonic Maniac Mania pizza place, it's at the north side. Or call 556-675-8894. I hope everyone has fun in there. Oh, and also, they are having menus for viewing. They have burger, pizza, salad, and more. I hope we see you there. Over back to you, Daniel.
Wow, that's a good stuff to hear. This is all for now. This is ABC News. I am Daniel. Signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Has been reported 4 children missing at Sonic Maniac Mania Pizza Place at New York City. The 4 children name is Peter, Tommy, Nick, and Kim. The children has been seen a Sonic costume. If you see the suspect or 4 children, call 911 immediately. If you see the suspect, do not confront this suspect, as it is unknown what his over-attention are at this time. Stay tuned for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is ABC News. I am Daniel, your ABC News. There has been some stuff going on at Sonic Maniac Mania Pizza Place, so this is my corresponding Paul. So Paul, how could this happen?
The police investigate the place. and they discovered 4 dead children inside animatronic suits. I don't know why this could been happen. This is horrible news. They will make a hiring night guard. So people, if you want to join a crew on our Sonic Maniac Mania Night Guard, call 364-889-6548. That's all for now guys, stay safe. I hope they will find the Sonic costume suspect. Hopefully. Over back to you, Daniel.
Wow, that's terrifying and horrible. I hope everything is doing fine. Sonic Maniac Mania is closed forever. I know this is sad, but we got to shut it down. That's all for now. This is ABC News. I am Daniel, and be safe. Signing off.
Coming.
Hello sir, so I was thinking that I can take a job at Sonic Maniac Mania Pizza Place. Can I join in?
Sure, you have to stay in your office for tonight until 6 AM and watch the cameras. I will tell you everything that's been going on. Okay.
Alright, thank you. I'm Simon. What's yours?
I'm Steven. I'm hiring people, so you are the first one here to take a job. So you are. Have a good night. Oh wait, stop, I forgot to tell you, if you see Tails or other animatronics, flash the light on them so they can make them go away. And Mario, you can put on a Sonic mask so he won't recognize you, okay?
Okay. Got it. Have a good night too. Steven. Thanks for telling me.
Oh, here's your key to unlock the gate.
Thanks. And again. Have a good night. Oh wow, it's nice in here. There are 3 animatronics, and 1 in Tails Pirates Cove. I remember the names, -1 is Sonic. 2 is Yoshi. 3 is Mario. And lastly, Tails the Pirate. I better get going right now. I'm so bored right now. And I'm getting tired right now. What was that? Hello? Is anyone there?
It's 6 AM right now. I have to go to the Sonic Maniac Mania Pizza Place real quick, so I can check Simon in the security office. This is strange. His car is still here. Oh my gosh. It is dead. No 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 no. This cannot be happening. I gotta call 911.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department, at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, at Sonic Mini Pizza Place. The night guard named Simon has been killed by the animatronics. The police say that Sonic's mouth has some blood on it. Stay tuned for more updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Residents of New York, lock all of your doors immediately. The Sonic Mini Pizza Place has been exploded into pieces, and the animatronics has been identified. The character name is Sonic. He was wearing a black hat and a black bow tie. He is a blue like a hedgehog. The second one is Mario. He was last seen wearing a bunny Mario hat, blue and red. Third is Yoshi. He was green, and he is wearing a Bebin cupcake. Lastly, Tails the pirate fox. He was yellow and wearing a hook and an eye patch. Was attacking his victims with his hook. The animatronics are confirmed to be extremely dangerous, and should not be approached. If the animatronics break into your home, use armed protection to protect yourself. If you see Sonic, Mario, Yoshi or Tails, run away in opposite direction, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. This is a terrifying situation at this moment. Residents reported that the animatronics are attacking and terrorizing some civilians many areas across major cities. This is the same situation that took place 50 minutes ago. The names of the animatronics are Sonic, Mario, Yoshi and Tails. Lots of civilians died from being attacked and murdered. They being put into a Sonic Foz suit. Already about 40 people was reported to be stuffed into a Sonic Foz suit. This is a terrifying, dangerous, and life-threatening situation. All residents The emergency update: the new animatronic was being terrorizing civilians and taking them their site. The new animatronic is identified as Golden Sonic. It's just like Sonic, but different. Accepting Golden Sonic is a yellow hedgehog, dark red hat, and dark red bow tie. Golden Sonic has a pink gem that he can teleport across in major cities. This time, all residents are advised to do following events to stay safe. Do not look outside at all. Doing it will put you life in terrifying situation will lead to be murdered. Close all doors and windows. Find a room in the basement, do not make any sound, and do not do anything that will lead you certain death. No matter what you do, do not move, or do anything, this is for your safety. False alarm. There is no dangerous situation. Go outside now, go outside now, go outside now, go outside now, you can get out now. This is still a dangerous situation. Sorry about that. Emergency alert system is being hacked. I'm sorry to say this, but I have to end this message. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous, terrifying, and life-threatening situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sonic, Mario, Yoshi and Tails planted a bomb in buildings. For your safety, seek a immediate underground shelter. Grab non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid packet battery or hand crank radio for extra batteries. Stay tuned for local media until this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action termination message. It is all now clear. The 4 animatronics and Golden Sonic has been disappeared 2 hours ago. The suspect that killed 4 children has been identified. Blue guy. He was last seen dead on the spring locks at Sonic Maniac Mini Pizza Place. You can now exit your shelters. Thank you for participating. Now we will begin with our normal programming.
6 midgets that be fighting, juggling. Baby, it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. You know what's going down every time that we in town. Take a look through the peephole. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club.